Some leaked news from Suzuki's internals has been reported by motorcycle magazines that there will be a completely new sport bike model to replace the GSS R1000 or model in 2025. Some unconfirmed information suggests that in 2025, the GSS R1000 or model will stop producing in Europe and will be replaced by a new 900cc sport bike. Not stopping there, this new sport bike model is rumored to be equipped with an 899cc turbo engine and will be the successor to the GSS R1000 or model in Europe. It is very likely that the GSS-9R will replace the GSS R1000 or similar to the Yamaha YZF-R9, which will replace the YZF-R1 in Europe in 2025. In this video, I will show you the predicted design of the 2025 Suzuki GSS-9R with red color version, and this is not an official design from Suzuki company. If you like the design of the 2025 Suzuki GSS-9R, please like and share this video. Thank you and see you.